stab at it. For Illinois on track and pump cattle drive, we've got Mr. Adam Winkleman. Beautiful John Deere. And again, that if you were here last night, you know that that's a little bit hard for me to say. I am a red fan and an orange fan, but a lot of these sharp looking John Deere, like we got the same time. That, unfortunately, is a sign that a couple things, especially when it comes to sheet metal, because it just makes it easier to build. The problem is that these don't usually have a lot of room underneath there. When you start stuffing bigger chargers and things of that nature in there, it can get tight. Those narrow hooded tractors are built for planting. They are not built for pulling tractors, and that is more and more prevalent as you get up in these horsepower ranges. So Brian comes to us out of Scioto, Illinois. He's going to see what he can do with this sled. He's trying to beat that mark set by Jason Zumwalt at 333.46. He's going to tighten that chain. We've got a green flag from our starting line, green flag for the end of the track.